sa Thailand at sumakit ang ngipin mo, lagot ka. To go to the dentist and have your teeth checked is costly. Filling or extraction, medyo pricey siya. Kaya kung magkaroon ka ng opportunity to get all the treatments na kailangan mo for free, that is a blessing. And today is an example of that. Today I am blessed to have another free dental treatment from Dr. Sandy. Dr. Sandy is a friend in the church, and sa ngayon nag-aaral siya ng dentistry here. Just reminded me again how God has 1,000 ways of which we know nothing. Sometimes we tend to worry, oh, ang dami ng, for example, itong ngipin ko, ang dami ng sira, ang dami ng kailangang i-treat, ang dami ng kailangang ayusin. It's impossible na ma-treat yun in time. But through Dr. Sandy, maayos yung lahat. Siguro, iniisip niyo, bakit ako may hawak na ganito? Kumuha ako ng leaflet also dahil doon sa taxi driver na naghatid sa akin dito. Ginamit ko yung barok-barok ko na Thai and Google Translate. So, from our home, papunta dito, nakapag-usap kami. Pangarap niya daw na maging dentista din yung anak niya balang araw. Tinatanong niya sa akin kung magkano ang tuition fee dito sa university. Kaso wala naman ako idea. And then, he dropped me off. At dahil siguro kailangan niya din magtrabaho, magtuloy-tuloy, hindi ko na nasuggest sa kanya na why not go and ask the office. Pero since we're connected naman sa line, I would share the story about that with you on another video. Dahil hindi na siya nakababa, kinuha ko naman siya ng leaflet. Kukuhanan ko to ng picture at isasend ko sa kanya sa line. That's all for today. I hope you are blessed to be reminded again that God has 1,000 ways to which we know nothing. God bless.